Hi, I'm Eric Lenask. We're here in Fort Lauderdale kicking off IT Expo 2016 and IoT Evolution Expo. With me in the studio today from Webee is Lucas Funes. Lucas, thanks for joining me. Great to have you with us here in Fort Lauderdale.
Hey, thank you, Eric, for inviting me. It's a pleasure to be here.
So you were telling me, we're talking a little bit about your the smart hub that you're showing us here today. Start off, tell me, what does it do? How does it work?
Well, this beautiful box is really intelligent, and it's the combination of a smart TV box plus a smart home hub. So you can transform any TV into a smart, but in the meantime, you can make your home into smart. So this box starts discovering all the devices and technology you already have in your home and program itself. Also, this box has a combination with the cloud that is really intelligent and has built-in with artificial intelligence. So the combination of that with a simple app allows you to get the smart home dream real in few seconds.
So when you say it discovers all the technology that you have in the home, what kind of things are you talking about?
Like example, if you have Sonos speakers or Philips Hue or different light switches or smart plugs, coffee makers, all of this technology that are connectable, this smart box discover and install by itself. And then when you start living your life, this box in combination with the cloud learns from you and how you live your life and start sending your recommendations on how to simplify your life and save energy and time.
So when you say it starts sending you or offering you recommendations on how to simplify or better live your life, how does it do that?
As an example, if you go to work and turn off some lights, and when you came back, set up the thermostat at this temperature, this learns from you and start programming by itself. So you will receive a recommendation that says, okay, I set up the scene that is called away mode, and it will be programmed automatically and set up automatically. You don't need to go to program that.
And it will, let's say you currently have 2 or 3 intelligent devices in your house. As you acquire and install new ones, it will automatically detect and identify them?
Exactly. It's start adding all, so it's scalable. You can add all the devices as you want, and also the learning engine start learning with the new devices. Like if you had the light switches and then you added the Sonos speakers, it will learn when you put the music. And then, as an example, when you came back to home, you will have all the temperatures set up, and also the Sonos speaker will start playing when you arrive to your home automatically.
And how easy or how difficult is it for users to set up?
It's very easy, and this is one of the things we focus on the TV, because every people knows how to use a TV.
Sure.
And so you go onto the TV and you have a wizard and simple setups in less than 3 steps to integrate all the devices.
Are there specific steps that a user has to go to depending on whether they've got the smart lighting system or whether they've got, whether you're talking about a refrigerator or security or cameras or something like that? Are there different things that users have to do in order to set those up?
Yes, the Wi-Fi devices are installed automatically, and some Zigbee devices and Z-Wave devices are ready to join the network. Okay. So when you tap add devices in the TV or in the app or computer, it will install automatically. But there are other devices that you need to push a button in the device, or also like door locks, like Yale door locks that we integrated and we are compatible. You need to set up some program codes in the door locks.
How about security? What kind of security measures have you implemented?
We have a standard and complex security that is really, really hard. And we have an advanced machine learning also security that registers devices. And when some device wants to do something in the home or some pattern is not normal on the use on the home, we block these things.
Is your average homeowner ready for this kind of a smart hub?
Yes, this is different from what you can find in the market because we are on the TV. So all the average of the homes knows how to watch TV and watch Netflix. So this allows you to understand and try the smart home every step by step.
Why did you decide to develop this?
Well, this is the dream of my life. I started when I was a child, and my father said, okay, turn off the lights, with that simple thing that turn off the lights before going to sleep. And then I started more than 16 years ago developing the prototypes, and that was a huge boxes. And then I think that technology needs to be here to help people live better instead of people living for the technology. You know.
Where is it available? How can folks get their hands on it?
You can get in our website, in webeelife.com, and also in Amazon.
And what's the retail price point?
We have two different versions. One is $159, and the other is $179.
What's the difference between the versions?
The protocols that manage inside. Yes.
Got
One
it.
some Zigbee and Wi-Fi, and the other has C-Wave and Bluetooth also included.
Understood. Thank you. Lucas, thank you so much for joining us. I hope you have a fantastic week here in Fort Lauderdale with us.
Yes, amazing. Thank you, Eric, for inviting me, and it's a pleasure to be here.